What is good, guys? Do apologize for this cinema camera being all up in the frame, but that is exactly what we're gonna do in today's video. The goal for this video is to try to beast this S1H up, kind of like the EVO 1, rig it up. And I did order the small rig cage, and I have a lot of accessories such as rails. I had a lot of things with the S1 that I'm able to use still with the S1H. So I want to see what I can do in terms of rigging this camera up. This video is going to be more of like a chill and rig or chill and build a cage. I don't know how I'm gonna label it, but overall have fun. So go ahead and grab some chips, have a drink, relax. In this video I'm not gonna speak, I'm just gonna play music. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna go about utilizing and making this cage, this setup functional for the S1H to still be, you know, usable while it's fully rigged up. I'm not sure how it's gonna end up. I have a lot of accessories, so I don't know how long this video will be. But on the next video, I will talk about each additional accessory that I do end up mounting on this camera. I just don't want to make it super long, so I just decided to make 2 videos. And this was going to be more of just relax, listen to music, and build this setup. And that's it. No more talking. Let's get started. beast of a rig. Now I know the wiring still has a lot more to work with. You know, I'll figure this out. And yeah, it's actually pretty. What I like about this, I might even take it out on a test run, to be honest. But I really like the fact that I put like this wireless, not the wireless, but like the handle has a follow focus wheel right here. So I'm able to monitor that. So now instead of me having to grab it from here and be on the focus ring trying to focus, I actually could just have it on the handles and I could be moving in and out and just be racking. So that feature is pretty cool. I actually don't like that this is like all the way up, so there's really no way of setting it. I mean, you could just set it down like that, but anyways, yeah, it's for another video. The next video I'll go ahead and talk about everything. I didn't expect for this thing to come like this. This is a crazy ass setup. I will figure out this wiring setup for by the time you guys see the next video, so definitely take care of that. But that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Something a little different, kind of like a build a rig and chill type of video. I've seen a lot of people do like color grading and other type of things, but I feel like this is something that we all love. We all love to build our cameras. Now again, I like my S1H very simple, unlike my cinema camera, which this thing right here is just massive. And normally this one requires all this, so that's why it's built like this. But for the S1H, normally I don't rig it up. I keep it just camera itself. But of course, you know, there's a lot of you guys that probably will rig it up. So this is a cool alternative. We'll definitely talk about this on the next video. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.